and we're preparing our stream, and we're going to be looking at the markets. All right, and it still says private. Okay, well, I don't know why it says private. I wanted to make it public. So anyway, well, let's get going, and let's share my screen. Screen number dos. Share, okay. And let's okay. I hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you guys are ready for the Christmas season. We just had a great class um, talking about the different formations and things like that. And right now we are going to let's check out my market heat map. I think it's grayed out. My market heat map. Arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. My market heat map is a great way of seeing what's going on in the market. We can see dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Everything's moving kind of sideways. And so let's go check the news then. We'll check what's going on tonight. We had core inflation data. Actually, inflation year on year hasn't changed really. And so evening, we don't really have anything. We have the Japanese data came out better than expected. We do have UK data coming out, UK GDP data coming out in 5 hours. We probably won't be up for it, but we could probably trade some other things. Okay, so let's go back to our template there. And this is that. We need to go to pip and run. Here we go. We're going to go back here. And switch our candles to Akinashi. And we're going to look at dual time frames there. And then we're going to remove all drawings. Right. Oh, it was kind of helpful. In fact, I want to go back to the other template we had. The King Midas template. I just thought about something. And oof. Dollar seems to be in a bearish kind of mood, right? Which means our other currency pairs, maybe GBP USD, maybe getting ready to go to the north side. And it looks like it wants to look at that long wick. I was talking about wicks, right? Lots of wicks there. So, and we have a little bit of we were just talking about this the other day or today, right? Come on, our double bottom there, trend line breaks, and we got a 1 minute. You can actually drive to a 15-second and see what's going on there too, right? We would have a target in here. And we're kind of moving sideways. Nothing's really, you want to get out of this. You want to either get down below this area here. You want to get down below or break out on top. Right. So that's I'll make this red. Red. So we're in a low volatility compression zone. Right? We went from like, yay, trend up, trend down, trend way down. Right? We had that was now this was in the direction of the dollar. So you think we went in the direction of the dollar and we rallied up, on this news. Do we, and we can see that price, look how it didn't get This is our closing candle. How do we close? I can't even see this candle. It's so skinny. The close of the candle's right there. That's the close. And do we come back down to it? Yeah, that's exactly where we are. The close of that candle is where we're hanging out. Isn't that isn't that sweet? So we need to get up out of here. We need like that 25 7 125 63. We want to get out. Get out. Ooh, 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 ooh. Get out. Uh, so and then with this, I mean, we're no the 1 hour chart, we're really not going anywhere fast. Sideways consolidation range. You really want to stay out of that chop, right? So let's see it's something. So let's just move. Let's go somewhere else, right? We can arrange this by percentage change, almost like the heat map, and see what's actually moving, right? Oh, look at that. That's a trend. Ooh, look at that. Tasty. Right? We need to find a way into it. Get me in. I need in. We're popping. We're popping on the 1 hour. But we want to see some type of a pullback or a little break. No, not that. Go back to the hour. Look at that. New Zealand dollar must be dropping like a rock, right? Should be. There's a Euro Kiwi and the Kiwi dollar going the opposite direction. Oh yeah, look at that. Tasty, tasty. Yum. Aussie Kiwi, pound Kiwi, Kiwi dollar, Kiwi CAD. Okay, here we go. A little bit of a pullback, right? Well, we're bear flagging, we're flagging, we're flagging. You bear flag. What do you have against flags? I uh, I treat everyone the same. Flags and not flags, flag. We're flagging. It's flagging. Here we go. Here we go. I'm flagging. All right. Come on. Come on. Let me zoom on in with Pippo Vision. See, it's going counter trend. Still, this walking the plank. This is bearish. The higher time frame is RSI below 50. So this is going against this massive tide, swimming against the tide. Eventually, it will. Yeah, there we go.
Hey Doc,
Yes.
are you live streaming right now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah. You can see my screen, right? That's the thing. I'm afraid that I'm doing all this talking. Nobody can see anything.
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. Cool. 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 All right. And then we're just going to let's. So I got short 61.24, and we can go for like 20 pips, right? 20 pips. 20 pips takes me down to like 61.04 or something like that. Are we making money? I don't know. Are we? Does it look green?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. With bear flag, the little arrow. That's my entry. It's like I'm baking cookies. I'm just following recipe. If you burn cookies, though, I mean, my analogy doesn't work for you. Like, I don't know, I'm getting PTSD every time I you know, those cookie things, Greg. I burn them, So okay, wow. So that's all I'm going for. Let's see if we can bring it on down. Ah, there we go. Come on now. Are we rocking and rolling? Oh, it's anybody in?
Yes, sir. Rocking and rolling, Doc.
Okay, just want to make sure. I don't know if anyone for our studio audience is in this trade as well. Like, how do they do that? He's a faker. He's using Photoshop to create this. He's not a real trader.
Yeah, it's definitely real, guys.
Oh, like rallying up again. I don't know. Should have taken my $200. Yeah, another opportunity to go flagging. 61.23. Oh, we got another. As soon as I see candle break, I'm in it to win it. Try not to take any flack to the upside. And I'm just going to use this RSI. So this is like the King Midas strategy. Um, so because we did get our three red candles down below the one, two. That was such a really long red candle. So I got two red candles, not three. Uh, there we go. So we flagged again. You can bring that stop down. And now we have a risk-free trade. And we got short New Zealand dollar. I actually got short up there at the 61.25, but we just added another position in at here. So these two arrows are entry arrows, flagging out. When I get down to 61, almost the whole number round number, back to this old level of support. That's what I'm aiming for. I mean, see, I'm using that 1 hour RSI below the 50 as my kind of like my trend direction. It's almost like a clock. It's telling me like how long. And see, when this thing gets down to around 30, I'm probably gonna be a little more antsy. I'm like, I'm probably gonna, I'm trying to like watch this to keep me in the trade. Or like it's gonna give me some green, it's gonna give me like another shot. Like, really? You gotta give me another one? Yeah. Oh no. All right. Keep going. Oh,
Let's
oh,
go.
no, hey now, ring the bell. Hey now. I can bring my stop down even more. Oh, keep trailing it, right? Still going.
What a sick move, Doc.
You like
Wow.
you like that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock this in. I'm gonna walk it down. Walk it down, baby. That's a risk. This is risk free.
Holy guacamole.
Did I say just your chips? You see, I put the chips out there on top of my coffee table because what you hold in conscious mind objectifies, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. I'm gonna come on. I thought gonna give me another shot. I was like, like another, another round. You know, come on. Uh-oh. So, that's it. Ring the bell. Well, there we go. That was pretty tasty there, huh? It's probably not done. But that's the that was our entries and that was our exits. Right.
Sweet.
Mhm. Oh, you mean that one? Okay. Look at that from entry. Break even from entry. Okay. No, not quite. A little bit negative. But let's see. We can take profit. Let's see. See if we can. And see, it's kind of janking around because we were getting like green, no backlash, right? Green, no backlash. Green. Now we're getting kind of like, oh, giving something back. Okay. So let's see. We can, and from each entry, we can actually take a fib from the bottom to the top. And we rallied to a 23% retracement. And it could be just like, just kidding. I was just trying to scare you guys. Oh, there we go. Right. I'm gonna move my stop loss back there. So maybe I lost a little bit of the spread closing out, but at least I brought 1,200 home. The Kiwi, you see the Kiwi is down 0.29. So it's the weakest currency on this makeshift heat map right now. Another. Oh, yo, just kidding, guys. It's like,
This is sick, Doc. Wow.
like, come on, baby. This is the one more drop. I'm watching it though. I mean, we're so close. I mean, we're really close to support. There are lots of long wicks there. RSI though is still below the 50. There's just lots of long wicks in there. So it's like lots of broken uh well, broken support. I'll keep my eye on this RSI. Ooh, kind of turning. Yeah. You had because is this turning to a 3, 4, 5, A or 1, right? So they're pushing. There, so you got your yeah, you could have a wedge pattern right there, right? Our side is still pointing down. So it's just yeah. Yeah, as we get on the other side of that trend line, I might lay another one on you. Eh, that was that wasn't particularly a strong vote of confidence. I want to break that low, that candle there, 61.11. Can you take it out? Yeah, I took it out. Let's see. The alternative count is this air 1B or 2, right? So still looking at the RSI. Oh, oh yeah. Yeah. Could be a trap. 61.11. Retesting. See if we get it closed, and I'm going to flip it. Let's see. See the big meat move was right here, right? So now we're sucking on bones. Look at this. See, it's starting to range out. Now we're like, we got all the chicken breast, nice piece of meat there, and now we're in like chop zone, right? So I'll probably get out if I can get positive. Yeah, that high 61.16, and we broke it. I'm gonna kill it. Oh, I'm gonna get long. See if we can break that line. Moving averages are turning up. RSI hasn't. I mean, maybe if I went to a 30-minute RSI, we'll see is already at the 30. Let's say 15. Yeah, see the 15 is like all the way down already. There we go. There we go. He's turned the price around. He's buying the back of the cheap. Ah, new high. Hey, Jamie's here. Yeah, we took it down and we're taking it up. Wrote it down. Wrote it down from a long way too. It was our
Nice
first.
reversal.
Yeah, Got that.
Jamie,
Me.
What's going on, guys? What's happening?
what's going on, huh?
Every day another dollar.
There we go. Make the market holler.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Let's see. Come on. Come on up. We took it from that arrow entry. We added more. And then we added more. Got stopped out, then flipped it and just stacked it. What is this? This the 23% retracement, 38% retracement, 61.23. See if we can work our way back up there, maybe. What's going on here? I want to see my Fibonacci areas, but that's a 38 right there, 61.23. And we're flagging, maybe flagging to the north side. Come on. 61.18. Got long New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. This is a 15-second chart of the New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. It's some extra spiky strength on the dollar index. And dropping back, a little bit of a pullback. And that could have been our ABC, and we're starting a new move back to the downside. Let's see. If this is a Fibonacci expansion, then we can take the absolute low to the swing high and then drop it to the bottom of those wicks and see what we can see there. The 100% expansion, 61.23, happens to be right at the 38% retracement, but will we get there? That's the key. We're playing around with this level, and we broke lower. All right. So that might be all she wrote for this for the possible retracement. We have support there, 61.15, and we might just go ahead and bail on this. And yeah, that's probably up. That's probably gonna be up. It's probably gonna leave a mark, right? So we didn't get any higher than the 23% retracement, and we're breaking lows and not lows like, the Home Depot lows, right? We are approaching support. Let's see if we can look for an entry. We're approaching that support pretty fast, pretty strong. Oh, let me go back to the 15-second. This will want to change. Yeah, our 1 hour. So now we're sitting right there at support. Like they've gotten a little bit of a lift out of that. And we got some serious break to the south side. So let's see if we can 1 hour. Yeah, let's put Fibonacci on the low to the high and see where we are. We're at the 23% retracement. 38% retracement comes at 60.47, right? And we're barreling on through.
Wow.
Yeah, it's dropping really hard. The Kiwi, the Aussie dollar is hardly moving. Usually they kind of move together. A little bit of a rally. This is a flag. A flag of surrender. 60-40s. That's a long way. That's it. That line right there. We can Did we get down to that area? We broke that 23% retracement pretty handily. Might see a little RTTSC, return to the scene of the crime. And if we do, that might set up for a deeper plunge. We are retracing. $61.13. And retesting the breakout point, 61.14. Trusting that RSI, because that thing, when they made that retrace, it was really going against the market tide. But definitely want to add that to the trade audit. We got long and then collapsed back down. Color change. Yeah. $61.14. And let's handle off the wick. Let's see if it can come on down. Nice, nice flag pattern. Flag in a downtrend. $61.13. 1/10 of a pip. The key is with multiple tags of this line, will we be able to close and continue? That's the question. This kind of did a U-turn right there. I would just redraw the trend line there. Another mini flag. RSI below the 50 gives a directional bias, but it's coming to like an oversold area, that 30. And so we can see that, lots of support, a lot of value, a lot of people, there's lots of buying going on in this area. Creeping back, reaching back above that 26% retracement or 23% retracement. Okay, now we're coming back into where we're looking for in the direction of the trend. We were behind the sticks, so maybe we could get a first down. We break this first level of support, and then we see if we can come back down. Still not out of the woods yet. RSI on the 1 hour chart hanging out around 30. You get this really cool like RSI shading here. Usually we get these the shade, just these extreme moves. So maybe the issue is, well, we get the extreme move and then price has already moved up because RSI maybe later than price. And we're kind of like forming a sideways flag. Something we could do is confer with the Dixie really quickly, just to take a quick look there. Dollar index is moving higher on the 15-second chart. The 1 hour chart is just moving sideways, and it's actually below the 50. It's in kind of a bearish territory in the 1 hour. So not a lot of consistency across the currencies or getting this. Yeah. Oh, that's not where's my trade? Okay, we've got several closes above. And V bottom, several closes above. We broke broke a high. Might look at exiting this trade.
It just took me a little taste.
What direction?
I took it for the sale.
Okay. All right. See, we have the 618, Fibonacci 6116. We're down about 3 pips, 4 pips, 6113. We're 16, we're 3 pips down. Right. Yeah, maybe. This could be it.
I'm in the sales with you all.
Nice. Okay, well, well, let's write her down.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Unless this is a break of the 50 and a retest to continue going up, that could happen.
Yeah. It could be an A, B, C correction against the prevailing downtrend. That's the after you get the flush that we had that we took down was so easy to trade. It's like, you really didn't need any more. I mean, we got short from that was our first short, right? And that was our second short. They got a little janky there, and then the rally 3, right? I'm looking at this big move 3, big push up 4, 5, and then an ABC. Maybe a resumption of the hitting that 618 again. Let me get rid of these fibs.
Yeah, that's what that was. That was a break. That was a re. It's pushing back up.
Ah,
Yeah. Yep. That's exactly what she did. Doggone it.
Oh, oh.
It's all right. It's all right. I still think she's gonna come down. I have my stop loss at 0.61203.
Okay. Oh. We got it. There we go. Yeah, so this, no, we could probably get back up to. And very aggressive move down, and now we've got a little pullback. Little, little, and there was a lot of support on this 1 hour chart in this area. $61.18. Quarter line at 61.25. I mean, that's probably where, I mean, this is where the drops actually started here. So we could turn back to the scene of the crime. 64.25. Get back there. You almost have your inverted, almost an inverted head and shoulder. You got a shoulder, you got a head. You don't really have the makings of a right shoulder. All right, let's get back in the direction of our trend. You can see the trend line breaks that failed. Hey, trend line break failed. Trend line break failed. Trend line break. Fail. Let's go. Wrong way. $61.17. Kiwi dollar. At the very bottom of the heat map. Might have a little, maybe a rubber band, maybe a stretch back. 1 hour, lots of support in this 61.16 area. A lot of buyers stepped in there. Not much of a rebound there. $9.23. Got the makings of a pennant kind of flag. Another break. Okay. Okay. Here we go. And we just need to get up of this high at 61.18. That would be little stumbles after the breakouts. Oh, big stumble. Okay, that hurt.
The House of Pain.
I needed that drop. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm sorry, Greg. I needed that drop. I have my stop loss at spot 61203, so I needed that drop because I had put a couple more entries in at 18. I was like, 18 is a nice number. I love that age when I was 18. So I said I drew a fib from 203 to that bottom.
Uh-huh.
And she respected that 75%.
It's yeah, 786.
Yeah, 76.
It ran up there.
Yeah.
As if it would have wedged out and
Mm-hmm.
took out the old high. That would have been nice for my trade.
I got the target at the old low, just FYI. If we get this break right here past 611
Okay.
and a half, I think we could get down there.
Yeah. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, I
We got to
mean,
fight this hands. Huh?
Yeah, our side's still below 50, so it's still bearish on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
This is really kind of weird, kind of like it's not like falling like really like it wants to like fall. It's falling like that as opposed to like like rolling over and dying. It's like roll over, like, hey, roll over and just drop versus I don't want to burn you.
Greg, I love your analogies.
It's like
I
it's,
love your analogies, bro. I love your analogies.
I just love it. Yeah, I mean that was like it's easy peasy. Right?
Come on, baby. Come on.
Okay, we've got a couple of candle breaks below the moving average.
Break that line. Break it, so I can close these trades. Take my little spare change. Oh, really? Are you serious? You better break. I want her to break. Oh my gosh. She gets right there at 6115, wants to run back up. You turd. That's where I have my original entries at.
Okay, yeah, this count. It's like it's flagging out for it just didn't like the angle of it's falling down just didn't just fall. This see if it fell more like this instead of like this. See
Uh-huh.
like that versus this. This kind of like it's corrective waving. It might not. It might. Maybe I'm just gonna keep up. I'm gonna stop below the low.
Greg, you got me spoiled on these tick charts, man. Just letting you know that.
Oh, the set 15 second or
Yeah.
are you on T Trader?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what explain why you saw it a little bit ahead of time.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is pro real time. This is right here. Look at that. See, and
There we go.
see.
Come on, baby. I'll let the trades at the top ride. I'm gonna get rid of these right here at the middle.
Oh
Come on,
yeah.
come on.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go. I'm in sales too, Jamie.
Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. Talk to me.
Oh no, get rid of that one. And yeah, this is not it either. That one. Yeah, we can. Okay. Well,
I'll be honest with you, Gray. Actually, Trader View moves before C Trader.
huh?
It looks
Sorry.
like to me. I said, it looks like to me, C Trader's moving before. Trading View is moving before C Trader. But then too,
Oh,
I'm looking at Hakanashi candles. So
oh, you're using regular candlesticks.
Yeah, I'm actually using Hakanashi on my entry.
Oh, okay.
Like I said, you spoiled us, Greg. You've given us so much great training and information. I mean,
All right.
how can we fail?
All right, now you got my head out of my butt, so now I'm in the right direction.
Don't buy, don't buy. All aboard!
Either. Okay, we want the South Side train. That's what we need. Where's my train? I love that train sound, yeah. Thanks.
Choo-choo, choo-choo.
Oh yeah. I don't know what this is.
I want STEM education to go ahead and fund the next generation of engineers.
There we go. There we go. That sounds patriotic. Ooh, wiki. Here's if we're looking at this, and we're like, oh, okay, this one is shooting up, then Kiwi dog would be shooting down, and it is. Now it's kind of trying to rally back up again. What else? See, the Aussie cats or the Aussies aren't doing anything. Everything else is really in tight, really small, tight ranges. Kiwi yen. Oh, there we go.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, you.
Oh no.
Oh, that was booty juice. I can't say that, right? That's okay. Okay. Darn it. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go flat. I've got 15 positions open, 10 positions open up at spot 6117, 6115, 6116. And I got positions where price is currently at now. I've got enough. I'm about to flatten it out, make about 130 bucks. Yeah, okay, yeah, come on. I really don't want to know have no negative, but I'll take those losses. Uh-oh, 160. Uh-oh, come on, come on. Help me out because I'm already late for work. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. One more drop, just a little bit. No, just go down, down, down. Really? The spread want to open up? Really? Greg, call your people. Tell them to stop messing with me, please. Can you call your people, Greg? Thank you.
There we go.
All right, there we go. All right, I'm flat. Well, no, I'm going to go ahead and close the top trades. I mean, the bottom trades. There we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. Yeah, there we go. All right, great. And you know what? I'm going to close the rest of them. I'm flat. 244 bucks. All right. Thanks, guys.
All right,
I'm about to
all
call
right,
you
then.
guys back.
Nice.
I'm about to get in the car. I'll call you right back.
All right, all right.
Ooh, look at it go. Yeah.
Hey, Greg, I see you.
Yes. Thank you, Greg.
Yeah.
Greg's the man. He called his people for me. I owe you big time, Greg. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Come on. Oh, it's not showing up under there. Uh-oh. Long wick. Rally against the trend. Fire away.
Holy smokes, man.
Mm. Need to stay bearish against that wick. I mean, got the flag. Waving the flag. Surrender.
Sir.
Bulls giving up. Flag. Wave the flag. We give up. We suck. Come on. That was pretty cool. Pet can come on, make some money, and turn off and get his car drive, right?
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. So we're so close to this support. And is there enough volume during Asia to break it? Let's think about it. Okay. We'll move this out of the way. $9.42 on this December 12th, 2023. Short this New Zealand dollar, but got a lot of support down there in this 61 10 area, 6104. You can just retest those lows. Go clear out a lot of these positions. And let's see if she will cooperate. Kiwi dollar shorts. That's the prevailing. The prevailing trend is down so far. There was we are on the other side of the trend. I'm going to talk about during the coaching call when we get on the other side of trend. We're on the other side where this was the north side. Now we're in the bearish side. But even on the bearish side, there's bullish moves in that bearish, for every it doesn't move down in a straight line. You can actually there's something called a trend angle. You can actually look at the angle of the trend angle like that. So you can draw a trend angle. See, that's a 29% angle, which is usually pretty bearish. Versus if you were to take a trend angle of a bullish move, it's like 60%. Right? Even if we gotta go a long way to find a bullish move. Even this move here was probably like about, see, 60%. 60% for bullish moves, but then you're down. See, there you go. There we go. Come on. Come on.
Oh,
Go, 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 go. Oh. We didn't have these. Oh, that's flagged like 74%. If you had a flag that's like in the teens or the 20s, that thing is gonna like roll over. Like here. It's almost like it's like in single digits. I can't move it. Yeah, like that. Was in single digits like that, it just drops. So let's say you saw an angle like that, and price is moving along that 10, 15 angle. That is like my first trade where I made like 10 G's like in one night off of like a $3,000 account. Pound dollar was doing that just before the London Open, and I got short, and they plummeted. It was just dropped. And I woke up. I fell asleep at my desk, and I woke up and it was up like $13,000. Like what the what? But that angle, when that angle starts getting. See, this one was that was what's it in a downtrend of a 60-degree angle. But see, you want that angle to be like. But see, as it runs out of juice, see, it's trying really hard to. The bullish comes in, and when the angle comes in. But when that thing starts, when they try to rally it and they can't even get it up, It's like somebody arm wrestling and their arm is like this across, almost vertical across the board, and they're parallel with the table because they're so, so beat down. That's really, really like the ultimate, something along the lines of this. Where it's almost like flat. It can't even get out of its own way. This flesh. It pukes. They call it the market. It's just this. It just pukes. Like someone having like too many Jaeger bombs. Not that I know anything about that. No. So this thing's just little too perky. Ooh. We're getting these lower highs. See, this one is almost like a 60, it's like a 60-degree or 70-degree angle like that. Look at that. It's like 74 degrees straight up like that. Now, the more vertical it is, sometimes the harder it falls. If it goes straight up, it becomes parabolic. See, that's like almost 90, like a 90-degree angle. But you probably had, now we have a break. That's a super steep angle is usually pretty bearish, as well as a super flat angle. Come on. Come on. Don't be shy. The other one was kind of like this one over here was not really probably like a 60, 70-degree angle, but that you get 80, 90-degree angles, and then we usually get a correspondent like usually it's like artificially propped up. The market makers started like lick a liquidity sweep. Ooh, okay. And they're trying to use Elliott wave on this one too, because wave 4, if this is a wave 4 pullback, it shouldn't come into the wave 1, and it stopped it right there. Now look at that, boom. Here we go.
It's entry, Doc.
Hmm?
Nice entry. You got in right at the top.
Yeah, right there. Yeah. Thank you. Gracias. Yeah, here we go. Come on. We knock that low out. I'm gonna take that. Not bad from here to here. So we're back. Let me go back to our. We got lots of support in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like to see a bounce and then get in on a bounce, but it may be tired. Oh, it's tired. Look at that.
Wow. I love Asian sessions now.
I know you say they're like, oh, it's Asia session. Oh my goodness. Nothing ever happened. It's so boring. Uh,
Wow.
thank
Knowledge is everything.
yeah. You invested in it. Like back to the. I know Cut's making some money. Are you still here, Cut? He's probably driving.
Yes, sir, I am here.
And we made it to the low.
Woo, 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 woo. I saw that nasty wick entry you had, sir.
Huh?
I saw that nasty wick entry. That was totally disgusting.
Yeah, it was. I was slow in my debate on whether to I was looking for a green candle for an entry, but hey.
Hold on, yes, I can hear you, babe.
Oh, Cut, you say the nicest things. Do. 9:55. Got 5 minutes for the hour. And Kiwi dollar. Sitting at 23% retracement of this down move that we had. I mean, maybe this up move. We pull back to a looking for see at 38 at 60 60.49. And I think we might get there. So I'm gonna do take that like that. And I'm gonna stop loss above the high. Right. And that was around
That's a lot of
6.
space, Doc.
Oh, that
That's
is
a lot.
about. Oh yeah, that's a 1 hour chart, huh? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think it might go to 5. And yeah. Oh yeah. We shouldn't be that high. Right there. So that's still quite. There we go. No. Right. So what do you think about my nasty week entry now, huh? Nice. Fuck it. 9:57. Ooh. Get that down. Bring it down. Come on down. Okay. $9:58. 2 minutes to 10. There we go. Come on down. Here we go.
Sell, sell, sell.
Great session, Doc. Great session.
Thank you. Thank you. We aims to please. We serve up pips. We try to serve up pips daily.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yeah, I think we're gonna take this. Why not? All right. Ring the bell. How'd you guys do? Talk to me. How'd you guys do?
Did great. Amazing session. I didn't know this was possible, Doc. I mean, I appreciate you, man, for showing me something.
Nice, nice. And, look our trend angle. It's still there. It's our 82% trend angle got whacked.
Wow.
All right. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so
All right.
much.
Thanks, Doc.
All right, bye.